Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you this party look right here. For that, I have created this brown smoky half cut crease eye look, and I haven't used any concealer to create this look. I have used only eyeshadows and I paired it with a nude lipstick. I think this look is perfect for any party, for any occasion and for any outfit. Before starting, if you are new here, then hi, I am Nita. I upload makeup, skincare and beauty related videos almost every alternative day. Please take a moment to subscribe. For that, go to your YouTube app and press that red subscribe button. Also press the bell icon next to it so that you get notification whenever I upload a new video. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. First, I'm taking this Maybelline TattooStudio brow pomade in the shade black brown, and I'm just drawing the borders of my brows first. Then I'll be filling them up using smaller strokes. I already shared with you my brow routine a couple of months ago. I will link that video down in the description bar below, so please go ahead and check that out. Now I'm just combing my brows with a spoolie so that the product is well saturated. Now I'm taking this L.A.Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer in the shade creamy beige, and I'm just cleaning up the borders of my brows so that my brows look well shaped and defined. I'm also applying the same concealer on my eyelids to prime my eyelids for eyeshadows that is coming up next. I'm just blending everything out using a damp beauty sponge. This one is from Real Techniques. I'm taking this Coty Airspun loose powder and I'm just setting the concealer so that it does not crease. For my eyes, first I'm taking Putter from my Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm just warming up my crease. This is a very nice warm toned brown color. Now I'm taking Mocha, which is again a cool toned brown color, and with this brush from Poreless, I'm just applying it on my crease. Now I'm taking Central Park, which is again a dark brown color, and with this brush from e.l.f. I'm just applying it on my outer V area as well as on my crease. I'm taking Soda Pop, which is a dark brown color, and with the same brush I'm applying it on my outer V area as well as on my crease, and I'm not dragging the color all the way in. I'm stopping at the center of my crease. I'm taking Hustle, which is a shimmery gunmetal kind of a color, and with this brush from Poreless I'm applying it on my lid, and I'm going to create a half cut crease look using this particular shade. Now I'm taking this Wet n Wild MegaLiner in black and I'm going to create a nice wing here. Before continuing with my eye makeup, I'm going to finish my base, then I will return to my eye makeup again. For that, I'm taking this Maybelline Master Prime Blur Plus Smooth Primer and I'm priming my face and neck. Recently, I uploaded a video where I shared with you how I prepare my skin for makeup. That video is going to be really helpful for you. I will list that video down in the description bar below, so please go ahead and check that out. Now I'm color correcting my face a bit. For that, I'm taking this L.A.Girl orange color corrector and I'm applying it around my mouth, underneath my eyes. It will help to neutralize all those darkness underneath. Now I'm just blending it out using my finger. Today I'm going to mix two foundations together to create my own custom shade, and these are L.A.Girl Pro Matte Foundation in the shade Soft Honey and Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 230. Now recently I went to Colorado, and due to excessive sun exposure I am super duper tanned and none of my foundations are matching me currently. That's why I just mixed those two foundations together. L.A.Girl one is a bit darker than my skin tone and Fit Me one is like my perfect shade currently. For highlighting and concealing, I'm using the same L.A.Girl Pro Conceal Concealer and I'm applying it underneath my eyes. on the center of my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, cupid bow, chin, on the sides of my mouth, and just under where I'm going to place my contour next. Now again, I'm just blending everything out using the same damp beauty sponge. I'm setting my under eyes as well as my smile lines using the same loose powder. For that I'm using the same Real Techniques beauty sponge. To set my entire makeup, I'm taking this Rimmel Stay Matte pressed powder in the shade Transparent, and I'm just setting my entire makeup. And I'm applying a lot of loose powder underneath my eyes. It will help to catch any fallout due to the eyeshadows, and I can dust it up later without spoiling my base. I'm going to finish my eye makeup. For that, first I'm tightening my eyes using this Jordana Eyeliner in jet black. I'm just smudging out my entire lower lash line using Soda Pop, which is the darkest brown color. I'm taking Hustle and I'm applying it on the border of Soda Pop. I'm taking Enlight, which is the first shade of this palette, and I'm just highlighting my brow bones and my inner corners. I'm just curling my natural lashes with this Vega eyelash curler and applying a coat of mascara. This is my Wet n Wild MegaLine mascara. For my falsies, I'm going with these Kiss lashes in the style Bustier off camera, and now I'm just dusting off the excess powder. And here is the final eye look. I truly love the way how it turned out. This is so simple yet so glam. I'm going to finish my face. For that, first I'm taking this shade from my NYX contour palette, and I'm just contouring the parameters of my face, like the hollows of my cheeks, my jawline, forehead, as well as my nose. And this is my Wet n Wild contour brush. To contour my nose, I'm going to use an eyeshadow brush. This one is again from Wet n Wild. For my blush, I'm taking this Burt's Beige blush in the shade Bare Peach, and this is stunning. Jaclyn lies literally raves about these blushes, and now I know why. This is stunning. For my highlighter, I'm taking my favorite Maybelline highlighter. This is in this shade Molten Gold, and with this highlighting brush from Real Techniques, I'm just hitting the high points of my face, like the cheekbones, chin, cupid bow, down the bridge of my nose, and the sides of my forehead. I'm taking this Milani Make It Last setting spray, and I'm just setting my entire makeup. For my lips, I'm going with this Flower Beauty Petal Pout lipstick in the shade Cinnamon Crush, and this is again a stunning lip color. And here is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful for you. If you did, then please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. If you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, please do follow me there. All the links will be given in the description bar below, so please go ahead and check that out. If you have any video requests, then feel free to comment down below. I'll be more than happy to make it for you. So yeah, see you soon in my next one. Till then, bye and take care.